If you're dreaming of turning your garden into a fruit-filled paradise, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the world of fast-growing fruit trees that thrive in North America. These trees grow quickly, yield fruit in no time, and are perfect for various climates. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a budding green thumb, these trees are an excellent addition to your backyard. So without further ado, let's dive into the top 12 fast-growing fruit trees that thrive in North America. The apple tree. A familiar sight across North America, their branches heavy with the promise of autumn. From the sweet crisp bite of a gala to the tangy tartness of a Granny Smith, there's an apple variety for every palate. Apple trees offer shade from the summer sun, their leaves rustling in the breeze. In autumn, as those leaves turn vibrant hues of gold and crimson, they paint a breathtaking landscape. Relatively easy to care for, apple trees thrive in well-drained soil and a sunny location. With a little care, a simple sapling can transform into a majestic tree, its branches laden with fruit, a testament to the enduring partnership between humanity and nature. The peach tree. A symbol of summer, its branches heavy with juicy, sun-ripened fruit. Native to northwest China, the peach has found a welcome home in North America. With its velvety skin and sweet, fragrant flesh, the peach is a sensory delight. A single bite transports us back to childhood summers, the juice dripping down our chins. Thriving in warmer climates, the peach tree prefers a sunny location with well-drained soil. Regular watering, especially during dry spells, is essential for its well-being. With a little effort, you can cultivate your own piece of summer, a tree laden with golden fruits, a testament to the warmth and sweetness of the season. The pear tree, a symbol of longevity and resilience, some living and producing fruit for over a century. Originating in Europe and Asia, pear trees have found a home in North America. From the classic Bartlett to the crisp Asian pear, there's a variety to satisfy every palate. In spring, it erupts in a profusion of white blossoms, their delicate fragrance perfuming the air. Thriving in a wide range of climates, the pear tree prefers a sunny location with well-drained soil. With proper care, this long-lived tree will reward you with a bountiful harvest year after year, a testament to the enduring power of nature's bounty. The cherry tree, a harbinger of spring, its delicate blossoms a breathtaking spectacle of beauty. From the palest blush of pink to the deepest magenta, these blossoms transform the landscape into a sea of color. Whether you prefer the sweet, juicy varieties or the tart ones ideal for pies, there's a cherry tree to satisfy every craving. Surprisingly easy to grow, cherry trees thrive in well-drained soil and bask in the warmth of the sun. Cherry trees are self-sterile, meaning they require the pollen of a different variety to produce fruit. Plant two different varieties in close proximity, allowing the bees to work their magic. With a little patience, you can cultivate your own cherry orchard, a symphony of color and flavor. The plum tree, a study in diversity with over 200 varieties gracing gardens across North America. From the deep purple of the Santa Rosa to the golden glow of the Mirabelle, each variety boasts its own unique flavor profile. Plums are not just a feast for the eyes and taste buds, they're a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Thriving in a variety of climates, plum trees prefer well-drained soil and a sunny location. Regular pruning helps maintain their shape and encourages healthy growth. With a little care, a plum tree can become a cherished part of your landscape, its branches laden with fruit. The apricot tree, a beacon of sunshine, its golden fruits a testament to the warmth and vitality of nature. Native to Central Asia, the apricot tree has found a home in North America. Apricots, with their delicate flavor and juicy flesh, are a delight to the senses. Eaten fresh, baked into pies, or dried for a chewy treat, they're a versatile fruit. Thriving in warm, dry climates, apricot trees prefer well-drained soil and a sunny location. Regular watering, especially during dry spells, is essential for their well-being. With a little care, an apricot tree can transform your backyard into a personal oasis. The fig tree, a symbol of abundance and prosperity, its history intertwined with human civilization for millennia. Native to the Mediterranean region, the fig tree has found a home in North America. Its fruit, with its unique texture and sweet honeyed flavor, has captivated palates for centuries. Eaten fresh, dried, or used to make jams and preserves, figs are as versatile as they are delicious. Thriving in warm climates, fig trees prefer well-drained soil and a sunny location. While relatively low maintenance, they benefit from regular pruning to maintain their shape. With a little care, a fig tree can become a cherished part of your landscape, its branches laden with ancient bounty. The mulberry tree. A symbol of resilience and abundance, its branches laden with clusters of juicy, sweet fruit. Native to Asia, the mulberry tree has found a home in North America. Mulberry trees are remarkably low maintenance, tolerating a variety of soil types and even thriving in urban environments. Their rapid growth rate means you'll be enjoying their bounty in no time. Eaten fresh, baked into pies, or used to make jams and preserves, mulberries add a burst of flavor to any dish. Mulberries are also used to make wine, vinegar, and even natural dyes. The most enchanting aspect of the mulberry tree is its role in the ecosystem. Its leaves serve as the primary food source for silkworms, supporting the delicate balance of nature. By planting a mulberry tree, you're adding a beautiful and productive addition to your landscape. The nectarine tree. Often considered the sweeter, smoother cousin of the peach, the nectarine tree brings a touch of elegance to the orchard. Its fruit, with its smooth, fuzz-free skin and vibrant hues, is as visually appealing as it is delicious. Native to China, the nectarine tree thrives in warm climates and basks in the warmth of the sun. Eaten fresh, baked into pies, or used to make jams and preserves, nectarines add a touch of sunshine to any culinary creation. Nectarines are also a good source of vitamins and minerals, making them a healthy and delicious treat. With their rapid growth rate and relatively easy care requirements, nectarine trees are a rewarding addition to any backyard orchard, a testament to the enduring partnership between humanity and nature. The persimmon tree, a symbol of resilience and adaptability, its branches laden with unique and flavorful fruit. Native to North America, the persimmon tree has graced the landscape for centuries. Its fruit, with its distinctive astringent quality when unripe, transforms into a sweet, honeyed delight once fully mature. The persimmon's unique flavor profile, a blend of sweetness and subtle spice, has captivated palates for generations. Thriving in a variety of climates, persimmon trees prefer well-drained soil and a sunny location. With their rapid growth rate and relatively low maintenance requirements, they're a rewarding addition to any backyard orchard. The pomegranate tree. A symbol of prosperity, fertility, and abundance, its history intertwined with human civilization for millennia. Native to the region stretching from Iran to northern India, the pomegranate tree has found a home in North America. Its fruit, with its leathery skin and crown-like calyx, holds a treasure trove of juicy ruby-red arils. The pomegranate's unique flavor profile, a blend of sweetness and tanginess, has captivated palates for centuries. Thriving in warm, dry climates, pomegranate trees prefer well-drained soil and a sunny location. With their rapid growth rate and relatively low maintenance requirements, they're a rewarding addition to any backyard orchard. A testament to the enduring partnership between humanity and nature. The almond tree, a symbol of resilience and adaptability, its delicate blossoms a harbinger of spring. Native to the Middle East, the almond tree has found a home in North America. Almonds, with their delicate crunch and subtle sweetness, are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, fiber, healthy fats, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Thriving in warm, dry climates, almond trees prefer well-drained soil and a sunny location. With their rapid growth rate and relatively low maintenance requirements, they're a rewarding addition to any backyard orchard, a testament to the enduring partnership between humanity and nature. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's recap. We've journeyed through the lush landscapes of 12 fast-growing fruit trees, each with their unique characteristics and benefits. From the hardy apple and peach trees to the versatile pear and cherry trees, from the juicy plum and apricot trees to the quick-fruiting fig trees. We've also explored the drought-resistant mulberry trees, the peach-like nectarine trees, the unique persimmon trees, the antioxidant-rich pomegranate trees, and the healthful almond trees. Each of these trees offers not only a bounty of delicious fruits, but also contributes to a sustainable and self-reliant lifestyle. Remember, a bountiful garden is within your reach, so go out there and start planting.